Hello everyone, welcome back to my Turtle Graphics in Python series. Myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arquen. In today's video, we will learn how to fill colors inside different shapes like a square, a triangle and a circle in Python Turtle. Okay, here I am using Python Turtle module to do the today's operations, and also we need turtle object for doing today's operation is concerned. Okay, and also today I am using some of the important methods like penup, pendown, begin underscore fill, end underscore fill, color, goto. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Using Python ideally, I will discuss today's topic elaborately. So let's get started. So friends, I am just within the Python ideally, and here I will write the code for how to fill colors inside any shapes like square, triangle, circle using Python module named turtle. Okay, and to do the operations we need to import the turtle module and also need to create turtle object. Okay, so at first we just write to import the turtle module, so just write import turtle. Okay, and then we create the turtle object, so just write t equal turtle dot turtle, means we create the turtle object here. Okay, and then we just write t dot speed and send the argument 3, means slow. That means to make turtle draw slowly, right? So we can clearly see the each movement, right? And after that, at first we create the square and then fill with colors. Okay, so just write it that way. Suppose t dot pen up, this particular method, and then just write t dot go to and send two arguments. First one is minus 200 comma 0. So first this value for the horizontal position and 0 value for the vertical positions. Okay, and then we just write in that way t dot pen down. Okay, and after that we just write t dot color and also send two argument. First one suppose write blue and second one suppose write light blue. For first argument is concerned, it will actually show the border color, and light blue shows the fill of the square is concerned. Okay, and then we just write in that way t dot begin underscore fill, this method, and after we just write the for loop for I in, and then just write range 4. Why? Because we know for square is concerned there is a 4 arms, so range 4 means 0 to 3, total 4, right? So 4 times the loop will rotates, and then we just write t dot forward and then send as an argument 100, and after that write t dot left and then send argument 90. Okay, and then we just close it, just write t dot end underscore fill. So first these lines for the fill the square, at first we create the square and then we fill with color within the square, right? And we just copy this code because for triangle we just change some part. Okay, that's why you just copy this code. Same thing should be there, but should change some part. So now we create a triangle and then fill it with color, right? So in that case we just change the goto value from minus 200 to just write here suppose 00, and then pen down is okay, and now put the color different. For that just write here green for border color, and there write just for fill the color within that light green, just use light green here. Okay, same thing, fill is there, begin underscore fill is there, and range is 3 up to y 0 to 2 because triangle is concerned 3 arms are there. Okay, and forward just change to 120 and left just change to 120, same value. Okay, and same way t dot end underscore fill is there. Okay, and same way we just write the code for now circle. At first we draw the circle and then we fill it the color. So that's why we just copy the same code and then we change it. So go to now value suppose 250, which are the horizontal position, and 0 for the vertical positions. And now color we just put here different color, suppose put here red, and fill red for the boundaries means borders, and fill with suppose pink, this color is concerned, and t dot begin underscore fill is there. But now here don't use this for loop because they have no arm, right? So in that case we just change something here. So we can just change into, just write after begin underscore fill, just write t dot circle and send as argument 60, and this 60 is actually the radius unit. Okay, right? And then we just write in that way the t dot end underscore fill is okay. Now after that we just go to the file and save the file. Just go to save and put the file name suppose color underscore t, and extension by default we know .py, and press enter. So just see the file name is given color underscore t.py. Now run the code, just press F5. Okay, so just see at first it will draw the square and fill it, same way for the triangle and same way for the circle, right? I hope you have understood how to fill with color inside any shape is concerned using Python Turtle module. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcade for more videos. So today up to this, thank you and bye bye.